Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. BJP awaiting Alina Saldana's response to contest by-poll of Kaurthali. Congress to announce their candidate within 15 days. Golden Jubilee bonus to government employees held back due to code of conduct. Confusion on delimitation of wards remains unresolved. People go on hunger strike. Villagers demand postponement of panchayat election. 3 panchayats move the High Court. Goa government to reduce expenditure incurred on 108 ambulance service. Government contemplating increasing mediclaim limit to 3 lakh rupees. Salgaonkar are Goa Professional League champions. Karan Sharma led bowling attack makes short work of Sarvodaya Royals. Salgaonkar win by 151 runs to complete 2020 and 3 days double. And incredible, Salgaonkar Sports Club stun AFC Cup hopefuls from Oman. Karim Benchriver's side wins Battle of Pride over qualification chasing Al Aruba. Now the news in detail. BJP is waiting for Alina Saldana's response on their proposal to contest from Kaurthali constituency. BJP says that she is their first preference. On the other side, Congress needs at least 15 more days to finalize their candidate. Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Navti said that Golden Jubilee bonus to the government employees will be held back due to the code of conduct.
कोर्तालीमचे बाय इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर झाले आहा सो तुमचो उमेदवार तुम्ही किने ठरवला
आम्ही उमेदवार ठरवंक ना पण आमचो मित्र माथानी बाब अवेळी गेलो त्याचे आमकां दुख्ख आसा ताचे स्वप्न फुडें व्हरूंक जाय पूर्तता करपाची जबाबदारी आमची सहकाऱ्यांची आसा आमच्या नदरेन ताची घरकान्न बाय एलिना आसा तिने जर हय म्हटलें जाल्यार निश्चितपणे मातानी बाबाची स्वप्नां पूर्ण करपाक आमच्या बरोबर तिणें हातान हात धरून खंबीरपणे उबे रावचे. गेल्या म्हयन्याभरांत तिचेर आयिल्लें संकट आनी तिणें ज्या पद्दतीन संकटाक सामोरी गेल्या तिचे वयल्यान तिची कापास्तातूय लक्षांत येता आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा ती एक बरी लेजिस्लेटर म्हणून फुडें येतली निश्चित.
Subhash Shirokar informed that the Congress candidate will be declared within 15 days. Kumar Swamy informed that electoral verification is in process and names of the new youth enrolled after January 2012 will not be included in the voters list.
As far as electoral roll verification is concerned, it is on. We are accepting applications that will be under continuous updation, but their names will not be issued any voters card at present, and they will not be included in the voters list. We are not going to bring out supplement. So as far as this by-election is concerned, whatever the rolls we used for 2012 elections, the same roll will be used.
And they have earlier declared 5,000 rupees bonus for all.
Yes. That is an incentive which will not be implemented during the code of conduct.
They can give it to non-Goa people?
No. Yes, it is a general applicability that will not be applied in the law.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chaos and confusion over delimitation and reservation of panchayat wards has entered the third day. People have hit the streets. Some have started hunger strike on Wednesday. Villagers demand that panchayat poll must be postponed and corrections should be made in delimitation and reservation of wards. Villagers have threatened to boycott the election if government does not correct the anomalies. 3 panchayats have raised this issue before the Goa bench of Bombay High Court.
It's the third day of filing nominations for Panchayat poll, but the chaos and confusion over ward delimitation and reservation continues. Delegation of villagers from Marapilan, Santistevan, Santa Cruz and Kurka met State Election Commissioner Dr. M. Modasir and raised the issues of discrepancies and manipulation in the delimitation of wards.
तर गोंयकारांनी आनी आमकां गमोन आयलां की BJPचो MLA मायकल लोबोन प्रेशर घालून कायदो आहा तो डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायतान मोडून कॉरिजिनम काडलो जाल्यार आमकां गोंयकारांक कित्याक काडना आमकां जावो डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायतीन कॉरिजिनम काडपाचो ह्या दिसांनी करेक्ट करपाचें नाल्यार आख्खे गोंयकारांनी बॉयकॉट करपाचें इलेक्शन सरकाराक पावर आहा जाल्यार आमी पर्रीकार बाबा कडेन मागता झिरो टॉलरन्स मागला आनी BJPक लागून मायकल लोबोक लागून चेंज केला जाल्यार तुमी सरकारान गोंयकारांक रस्त्यार हाडपाचें न्हू पोस्टपोन करपाचें आनी करेक्ट करून लोकांचें मौन घेवन ग्रामसभाक हें सारकें करपाचें नाल्यार हो सरकार तसोच
हे आमी सरकाराचे नोदरे काढले डायरेक्टर पंचायतचे डायरेक्टराचे नोदरे काढले स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशनाचे नोदरे काढले पूण कोणूच आमकां हें करिना म्हणजे गोंयकार म्हणजे तांकां कचरो जाला अशें जालें अरे बाबा आमी आयज तेजे कडेन येयले तो म्हणटा सरकार कांयच करना आपूण कितें करूं म्हणून तो सगळे जाण घालता सरकाराचेर आमी कितें करपाचें.
Meanwhile, 3 aspirants of Panchayat election have sat on an indefinite hunger strike outside the office of Directorate of Panchayat. They have raised issue of haphazard reservation.
आमचो जो OBC तेणी जो वार्ड जो आसा मेजॉरिटी OBC पॉप्युलेशन आसा तो ST केला तो तेणी काडचो ओपन दवरचो एक तरी ओपन दवरचो अदरवायज OBC करचो हो आमचो डिमांड आसा आनी त्याच बरोबर तिचोय डिमांड तसोच आसा की तिचो जो वार्ड मेजॉरिटी जनरल आसा तो OBC केला तोय ओपन करचो न्ही.
This is happening because we have got the data from the panchayat secretaries. If this data was from the census or from a department, so there would have not been any allegations against the data. This data is actually from the village panchayat secretaries. That is why this problem comes because they say that data is not authentic.
Secretary of State Election Commission says that jurisdiction of delimitation and reservation of wards lies with the state government.
Commissioner तांच्यानी representation दिला. Commissioner will take a call on that and he will examine what can be done under the present law and then take a decision on that. Delimitation चे jurisdiction government चे. Act is very clear. Reservation चे jurisdiction government चे. So जर तुका jurisdictionच येना जाल्यार decision you have to think first what is your jurisdiction and then decide.
Villagers of Latambarse Panchayat have decided to boycott the Panchayat polls. They are annoyed as the ward number 1 is reserved for OBC. The agitated locals claim that there are hardly few people belonging to the OBC category.
OBC हाय 8% सोना
560 सुमार वोटिंग
560 वोटिंग आहे त्याच्यानंतर आमचे लोक संचालकाकडे पावले डायरेक्टरकडे त्यांनी सांगणार बिडवून ज्या पद्धतीने आपला रिपोर्ट दिला त्या लागून आपण केलं म्हणा
आम्ही अशें ठरयलां की कोणीच वोटिंग करपाचें ना आनी फॉर्मां भरपाची ना बहिष्कार घालपाचो.
A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agyar, and from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
Goa government has decided to reduce the expenditure incurred on the 108 ambulances in the state. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar informed that if EMRI company is unhappy with the suggestion, then they would seek an alternate agency. He also informed they have plans to raise the income limit for Mediclaim scheme up to 3 lakh rupees.
Lakshmikant Parsekar informed that the expenditure incurred on 108 ambulances will be reduced. He also said that if EMRI company is unhappy with the decision, they would seek for an alternate agency.
108 ची स्कीम तुम्ही रिव्यू करपाची
ना 108 चेर आमच्या लक्षात आयलो की खर्च जास्त जाला तो प्रत्यक्ष कितलो ट्रिपीक खर्च जाता प्रत्येक एमर्जन्सी कितलो खर्च जाता हे आमी काडटा ते वाडटा आसा जाल्यार आमकां प्रयत्न करून तो कमी कसो जातलो हो पळोवंक जाय सरकारचेर भुर्दंड चड पडूंक जायना इतलें हो भितर हेतू तांची सर्वीस जी आसा ती उत्कृष्ट सर्वीस आसा सर्वीसच्या बाबतींत प्रश्नच ना आनी त्यामुळे फक्त सर्वीस बरी आसा त्याच्या बरोबर खर्चय आमकां रिजनेबल आसूंक जाय इतलेंच म्हणणें आसा म्हणून त्या दृश्टीन आमी तेचो आढावो घेतात
कमी खर्च जाल्यार खंयची दुसरी कंपनी जर कमी खर्चान
पळय पयलीं तांच्या कडेन जर तेच जर योग्य भावान करता आसात जाल्यार दे हॅव टू बी गिवन प्रिफरन्स न्ही आतां एखाद्याक ना आमकां हें जावचें ना अशें आसात जाल्यारूच दुसऱ्याचो प्रश्न येता.
Parsekar further informed that income limit for the Mediclaim scheme will be increased up to 3 lakhs. Moreover, he mentioned that talks with ICICI Lombard company are still pending.
Again, Mediclaim ची 2 लाखांच्या रुपयाची ती रिव्ह्यू करपाची असले त्याचे करपाक
मेडिक्लेमाच्या बाबतीत आमकां खरेंच म्हणजे एक म्हणजे इन्कम लिमिट 1.5 लाख दवरला तो 1.5 लाख परवडणारो ना. आता 1.5 लाख इज नथिंग. त्यामुळे 3 लाखांपर्यंत मेडिक्लेम हे वचूंक जाय. म्हणजे एलिजिबिलिटी 3 लाख उत्पन्न 3 लाखपेक्षा कमी असणाऱ्यांक बेनिफीट मेळूंक जाय. 1.5 लाख हो टू स्मॉल.
आणि ती कंपनी ICICI लोंबार्ड तिचे कडेन उलोवणी करतले म्हटल्यार त्यांना नव्या रेटा बाबतीत
आमचे बसप जालें ना. बसतले
तेजे उपरांत सगळें जाता.
Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.